My name is Jacob Berger. I'm in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. The name of my office is Smiles at Lakewood Ranch, which is not too far from Tampa, Florida. The experience with the DeNovo office is just crazy new. It's kind of what I was looking for. It was the excitement, the challenge, some of the support Heartland Dental has given me, from supplies to the management to leadership skills. A brand new building, new technology, the best of the best. I got to pick out all of the instruments I wanted to use, and just exponential growth right out of school. It's been a really good experience with that, and also working with another doctor in an office. Perfect partnership. I couldn't have asked for it to be any better. Sometimes I feel like I'm spoiled, but I know sometimes we create our own luck too, so I try to give some credit to myself, but also credit to Heartland Dental. At Dr. Leeds last year, my first year out of school, some of the things that I got from the whole thing was how many other doctors are supported by Heartland Dental. From friends that I've created to future colleagues that I can email back and forth. We bounce ideas off of each other. But just to step away from that and not just be at another CE course, but to actually sit down and chat with people, have a drink with some people, and enjoy some food, and then walk away from it going, I actually know John and Joey and Anna, instead of it being Dr. So-and-so who lectured us. So I think that was probably the most important aspect of the whole thing, was kind of the camaraderie you build with the people around you. So my favorite class at last year's Dr. Leeds was the course on the Invisalign, just to hear from Dr. Hodge and how to implement some of the things to create value in dentistry, but also create value in orthodontics. You know, working in an area that actually does have a high median income, family members are coming in there, I just want my kids in braces, I want my kids in braces, I want to straighten my teeth, but they don't actually have a value in why we straighten teeth, why do we get them into a better occlusion. So it's really nice to hear his take on it and then kind of implement that into my own words. I would say one thing that I could recommend to doctors joining Heartland Dental is to have an open mind. Learn from it, enjoy it, and when you have down days, negative days, days when you want to complain about something or blame somebody for something, realize that it would happen anywhere. And how you handle that negative challenge it is really what will create you as a dentist and as a leader, because that same situation, that same item that didn't come in on time, or that same person who didn't respond in the way you wanted them to respond, it would have happened somewhere else. So you got to be able to take the punches as you go. So I would just say being open-minded and adaptable to those situations would be the best advice that I could have gotten going into it. And I'm glad I kind of took that advice from somebody who was a mentor to me, because that allowed me to really just kind of right out of the gates go without any negative days.